Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this logo, and I have been trying for a good long while to figure out where his leakage is, and he got some major leaks, and that would bug me to death to fill in a box with red and see what happens. And I've got some of it fixed, but it's your normal cause of leakage just isn't working. I've even extended the lines past it. So I just started out with a font that's pretty close to that. Now he's making a branding iron, so I don't really know what the question is. Because if you make this all out of metal and make it look like that, it's not going to be readable. So I've got maybe one suggestion for that. I don't know how big this is going to be, but I'm just going to show him how kind of easy it is for what he was doing, not to use, whatever he did. He had some ghost letters. He had just some different things going on. And as always, I'm going to take this and make a duplicate of that. And then I'm just going to kind of, well, as a matter of fact, let's bring this one here in. And then I do have a suggestion for the branding iron, but just take this and take the virtual segment delete key and delete. So this needs to be taken away. Well, okay. Number one rule, this is a font. You can't do that for a font. So you have to convert it to a curve to be able to cut it. So this is like not showing. This is showing, so this can't show. This is showing here. So we want to cut this here. And that's going to make it look like it's going behind here. So we actually need to cut that out. And I think that's it. And let's just kind of use that same, see how easy, okay, I missed one line. Easy the Smart Fill tool makes it. Well, I should have cut that other line too right here. And so in 1 minute, I've seriously worked on that other thing for a couple of minutes. But like I said, if you make this all black, like metal, you're not going to be able to read it. Now, the only other suggestion I would have, so let's back up here before we started filling anything in. And let's go ahead and take away the color of that and take away that line there. And I think we got it. And I'm just guessing here, I'm going to Smart Fill that B in, move it over, and I'm going to left click, right click. And I am going to go to Effects and Contour. Now, I don't know how big this letter right now is, almost 4 inches tall. But I'm going to contour the inside like 0.1. That's not enough. Let's go 0.2. That's probably not enough yet. Well, that might be pretty good. So now let's take, instead of breaking the contour apart, I'm just going to fill that in with my blue. Now I'm going to nudge it over twice. And then I'm going to take my A and so that line shouldn't be there. So I'm going to break that right there and re-smart fill my graphic. Still going to be no, it's all one piece now. I hit delete. And then we're going to left click, right click, and go to the inside again And once we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then I think we could maybe make these just regular size. So I'm gonna use that tan or that blue. Whoop, my mouse is walking on itself. So my lines aren't really enough yet. So let's do this. Let's nudge this over, that over, and that over. Tell you what, let's nudge them over again. Now, I think we can do them all at one time if we group them together. Let's left click, right click, and go to the inside, and then take the Smart Fill tool. And I'm just guessing, because you'd have to have some sort of backer plate for this to work. And so what's going to happen, I'm thinking, this is theory, turn everything black, and there is your branding iron. Now you might have to make the letters thicker, or this offset needs to be more, so it won't burn. You know, you can, maybe double it. But this could all be on one flat piece of metal. And of course, you'd have to have another piece of metal, backing everything up to keep it together, and then put your handle coming off that backer piece and make it pretty stout so it won't flex. I don't know anything about making branding irons. If you do this, I'd really want to see it. But then just take a strap of metal. That would bug me to no end to have when you draw a box, have it filled in. I'll never understand the purpose of that. So let's say this piece of metal on top is a 1/4 inch metal. Lay it all out like this, and you're gonna have to attach everything. So back that up, because you're gonna have to have every piece. Maybe somehow weld it to a bigger piece. You might even have to use a magic marker and drill some holes, and then weld it from the other side, and then run your handle off this piece. Of course, I'd make this piece as narrow as you could, and I'm not giving you advice on making a branding iron, hopefully. But if you do make one, and I helped you, I really want to see the picture of it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.